Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by importing the audio into your Godot project because the engine needs a project resource to reference. Once done, add an audio stream player node to your scene and assign the imported file to its stream property so you have a live audio source. Make sure to toggle autoplay for immediate feedback or leave it off to control playback by code. This lets you test sound levels and ensure the stream loads correctly before wiring game logic. Now configure how the sound behaves and control it with code so you can react to game events. Use audio stream sample for short SFX and an OGG stream for long music to save memory. This affects latency and CPU usage. Route the player to a dedicated audio bus so you can apply compression or reverb and manage volume centrally. In GD script, preload or get node. The player then call play, stop, or seek to synchronize music with gameplay events and transitions. Finish by polishing how music integrates and by adding fallback checks so audio feels intentional. For ambience or world music use, audio stream player 2D/3D or parent a non-spatial player to the camera for global music. Once done, implement crossfades by tweening volume dB values between two players to avoid pops and abrupt cuts. If you encounter silence, verify the stream is assigned, the node is on the correct bus. The bus volume dB isn't muted, and the audio file imported with the right sample/stream settings. That single check fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.